Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with heated seats, a backup camera, keyless entry, roof rack, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated driver and front passenger seat, outside temperature display, auto high beam headlamp control, steering wheel controls, speed sensing steering, and has less than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.